In this video, I'm going to share 5 reasons why I don't like Wealthy Affiliate and why I think Legendary Marketer might be a better alternative. Now, this isn't going to be one of those videos where I just make up problems that don't actually exist just so I can bash on Wealthy Affiliate and promote Legendary Marketer. I'm going to give you 5 real reasons that I actually don't like about this. Now, that doesn't mean that Wealthy Affiliate's bad, but it just might not be the best one for you. So let's start with the first one right here. My first problem is the UI. So of course the main website, once you use the link in the description to the homepage, you'll see that this looks pretty good, right? Pretty clean website, pretty nice UI. You can see everything. It's not too cluttered. But once you actually create an account, this is what it looks like inside as of April 9th, 2024. So this does not look very good. I don't know about you, but to me it feels kind of overwhelming seeing stuff everywhere. And when I first created an account, I wasn't even sure what to do next. Because you see this here, your path to monthly revenue. Like, do I click these buttons? Or do I start with these things here? Do I have to upgrade? Or, like, do I have to watch these videos? Is there a specific order? Because you can just like scroll ahead, and then they have like a bunch of like series, like this one series and then another series, and then inside them you've got classes, and then you've got more series, and it doesn't say 1, 2, or 3, so you're not sure if there's a specific order to watch them in. Now, none of these are deal breakers, but overall, like, I just don't like the UI. It feels a little bit overwhelming for me, and I did feel a little bit lost when it first got started. So if you compare that to Legendary Marketer, this is what their sign up page looks like. Again, pretty nice, but even once you create an account and you sign in, which I've included a link for in the description, this is what the 15-day challenge looks like. So I found this really easy to follow along. It wasn't overwhelming, and I always knew what I had to do, right? You would start with day 1 and you just watch the video and you complete your assignments. And then day 2, day 3, all the way down to day 15. So UI definitely, and the website experience is just much better with Legendary Marketer in my opinion. But let's move on to the next problem that I have, which is how Wealthy Affiliate promotes what I consider kind of an outdated strategy for affiliate marketing. Now, they're promoting SEO blogs, so basically blogging websites where you include articles about different products and stuff, different services. Your affiliate links will be there. And then if someone clicks that link, you'll earn a commission. And so you have to rank in Google search essentially, because the vast majority of search requests are on Google, right? Now, the problem with that is, I don't know if you've heard about this, but Google always has these like updates where, a lot of websites see their traffic suddenly go down in like half. There was one that recently came out a few weeks ago, and so a lot of people lost tons and tons of traffic. The other problem that I have with SEO blogs is that they take a very long time to actually like rank and get you a decent number of views so you can actually earn commissions. You can easily go a year where you grind really hard every single week for like 20 hours a week, and at the end of it you might only be making like $500 a month. That's a very realistic possibility with the techniques that you learn on Wealthy Affiliate. Legendary Marketer, on the other hand, actually focuses on video marketing. So instead of writing articles and blogs, you post content on social media like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, etc. And I don't know if you know this, but videos convert way better. It's much easier to get sales through video because if you watch a review video, you can actually see the product in use. So it's much easier to earn affiliate commissions. And there's also way less competition on platforms like YouTube compared to ranking an article on Google search. So overall, if I think, if you want to make money faster, Legendary Marketer is definitely the winner in my opinion. Now let's talk about the pricing plans for each of these. So Wealthy Affiliate has a subscription plan starting with the $0 per month starter plan, which includes a bunch of things, including some training, and then it goes up to premium and premium plus. Now, the problem with this is even though these two plans include all the tools that you need, it does get kind of redundant once you've taken all the training because you can find alternatives for these tools where you'll spend less money than this overall per month. So, for example, if you use System.io, I included the link in the description, you can create a completely free account and you can use it for free until you have 2,000 people in your email list, which is enough to start making money. And then it goes up to $27 a month, 47, and so on. I think this is the main tool that you need, just a good email marketing tool. And System.io can do your email marketing and has a bunch of other features as well. So it can actually end up being a lot cheaper than these subscription plans. Now, Legendary Marketer focuses more on one-time payment education products like their 15-day business builder challenge, which is only $7. I included the link in the description. But they also offer subscription products like their Legendary Marketers Club. So this is more for people that are interested in being on the cutting edge. And so, if you just want that extra level of advantage over the other marketers, you want to stay up to date with the latest, tips and tricks that marketers are using, then this could be a great investment for, learning from these people through videos every single week. And then they've got their other products as well, but the main difference is I don't really like the subscription plan that they have in Wealthy Affiliate, because once you've actually taken all the training and stuff, it doesn't really make sense to pay this much, because you can find a lot of the tools you need for way cheaper. Speaking of tools, another thing I don't like about Wealthy Affiliate is that they lock you into their tools. So the specific, Jaxi Lite and some of their domain tools and other things that they have that you can use for your website, for your affiliate website, is you're going to be kind of locked into it, and it's going to be tricky to actually migrate all of that to different platforms if you decide to do that later on. Whereas Legendary Marketer focuses more on the concepts, and they teach you how to use some of the most popular tools. So you're not limited to learning specific tools. You're focused on the actual marketing concepts that you can use with any tool. Now let's talk about the support on Wealthy Affiliate, which honestly, in my opinion, isn't that great, even though some people would disagree. Even though Wealthy Affiliate has more than 2 million members, which is way more than the number of people that are available to help you on Legendary Marketer, these are people that just like you and me who just signed up and created an account. So if you ask a question, you'll probably get a response from someone else who might not know that much. And that means a lot of times you're going to get really bad advice. Now, Legendary Marketer, on the other hand, Legendary Marketer has excellent support staff, so they'll usually respond within 5 minutes through email and through a call during business hours. So instead of getting an answer from some random person who also signed up, you're going to get an answer from an expert. So I think the support on Legendary Marketer is actually better than Wealthy Affiliate. So those are my honest reasons for why I don't really like Wealthy Affiliate and why I personally prefer Legendary Marketer. But you might disagree, so let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And you can use my link in the description to try Legendary Marketer or Wealthy Affiliate. Thanks for watching.